Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I'm a content creator based here in Maryland. My goal with the channel is to be a resource to DevOps curious out, tutorials behind the screen content, and honest podcasts. So if you are into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe to join the crew. It goes a long way towards supporting this channel, and it makes sure that you never miss out. All video ready to Markdown and access YAML files are on my GitHub. The links are below. Today we are going to talk about how to create a free Ubuntu instance in Oracle Cloud. After you finish the video and exercise, you are able to create a free Ubuntu instance in Oracle Cloud and connect the instance with VS Code. You can use a nice and free Ubuntu instance to learn Linux or other software. I'll show how to use Ubuntu instance as a GitLab runner in future video. Video topic is pre-request. Create a free Ubuntu instance in Oracle Cloud. Use VS Code connection to the instance. First topic, pre-request. An Oracle Cloud free tier account is needed. The account has 2 free AMD compute VMs. I will create a Ubuntu Linux on one of 2 VMs in my demo. If you do not have a free tier account yet, click the link to create an account. Also, the link includes more detail on free tier account. I'll use VS Code with SSH plugin in my demo. Putty is the other alternative tool you can use. Next, we move to create a free Ubuntu instance in Oracle Cloud. This is the Ubuntu instance hardware side. It has 1 CPU, 1 GB memory, and 47 GB hard disk. An OCPU provides CPU capacity equal to an Intel Xeon process core with hardware threading enabled. If the 47 hard disk is not enough, you can attach other free 100 GB hard disk to the instance. Let's start. Open my browser, log into my account. This is my account name, and click Next. Username and password need. Sign in. Next step, go down to the Launch Resources. Select Create a VM instance. Put the meaningful instance name. Change the image name from Oracle Linux 8 to Ubuntu 22.04. Select image. Save the private key to the save place. The key only shows here in the one time. If you lost the key, you cannot access the VM. Open the folder. Change the key name, and then put some safe places. We're done. Open the advanced options. Select Paste Cloud Initial Script. The script is used to initial Node.js and npm. It only runs one time when the VM create. You can skip this step if you do not use the Node.js and npm in your exercise. Click Create. Back to the instance. Provisioning in progress. Copy the public IP. The IP will be used in the next topic. The status is running. A free Ubuntu instance is created. The latest topic for today, use VS Code connect to the instance. Switch back to my VS Code. Add the new instance sh-config into the plugin. Click Remote Explore. Select config. Select file. Put the public IP in the host and also in the host name. User is Ubuntu. Change the key path. Put the key path location and the name. Save. Connect to the host in the new window. Select Linux. Yes. Open new window. We are able to connect the instance. If you do not use VS Code, you can use alternative to connect instance as Putty. The link shows how to use Putty connect to the Ubuntu instance. After adding the SSH configuration, and we are able to connect to the Ubuntu. Let's run 2 commands to check initial script running status. Node.js version and npm version. Run command Node.js space --version to retrieve the Node.js version. Node.js version is highlighted. Next, run npm -version to check npm version. Are able to retrieve the npm version 8.5.9. Our topics are completed. Today I demoed how to create a free Ubuntu instance in Oracle Cloud. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next time.